Well, I'm glad you are enjoying the food. I worked hard at cooking it. Who would have thought? Wiping your mouth now. What y'all up to? Don't fall. Wow, that was pretty cool.